Hazrat Jarir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "Won't you soothe my heart about Zul Khalasa?" It was a house wherein Banu Khatham were residing, and it was called Kaaba Yamaniya. I, accompanied by 150 riders who were all night riders, set out from Ahmas. I said to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "I cannot sit firm on a horse." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck my chest with his hand, whose impression I saw on my chest, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, make him sit firm and make him guiding and a guided man." Thereafter I ventured towards it and burned it after raking it. Then I sent a man to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to give him that glad tiding. Hazrat Jarir's messenger submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by him who sent you with the truth, I at the time of departure left it as if it were a scabby camel." So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked blessing for the cavalry and infantry of the Ahmas tribe 5 times. Musaddad says, the house was the idol temple of Banu Khatham tribe. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3076.